Hello students, we have already completed relation and I have asked you to solve all the problems of the exercise from the exercise of your book. If there is any doubt, then comment it and follow me through Facebook so that I will take another class where I will try to solve all the problems and clear up your doubts. Okay? Because it is not possible to solve all the problems through these videos. Okay? Today we will state a very important chapter of your very important chapter, that is topic, that is function. Function, in your 11th class you have read relation and function. Function. Today also we will discuss about function what you have read in your 11th class, because it is very essential to be clear. There should not be any doubt in the definition, in the properties of function. So anyway, we will start function from the very beginning. From the very beginning. There are a large number of relations that can be made from A to B. What is that number? What is that number? If F is a relation, the number of relations from A to B is 2 to the power cardinality of A into cardinality of B, right? This is the number of relations that can be made from A to B. So if A has say 5 elements, B has 3 elements, then there will be 15 number, 2 to the power 15 number of relations from A to B. But you see, we are studying a particular form of relation, which is essential in our life, in our study of mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, medical science, even if social sciences like economics, sociology, etc., geography, everywhere, yes, meteorology, everywhere you will find the application of function. You need the help of function. Okay? Suppose, so let us first try to define a function. What is a function? We know the relation. Okay? Let us define. Definition. A relation F from a set A to a set B will be a function if it satisfies the following conditions. What are the conditions? Number 1, domain of F is equal to A. Number 2, F is not one many. It is not one many. F is not one many. Okay? That is, X is related to Y and X is related to Z. X is related to Z implies belongs to F. Right? Implies Y is equal to Z. If X is related to Y, and x is also related to z, then y is equal to z. That means a single element of A cannot be related to more than one element of B. More than one element of B. Let us see through an example. Yes, you take an example. Say A is equal to, take our natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then B similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Not necessary. Suppose I will take this. Right? I will take an example. Suppose F1. F1 is 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 8. You take this. You take this. I have taken very small sets A, B. Yes, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 8. No doubt it is a relation from A to B because it is a subset of A Cartesian product B. It is a relation. It is a relation from A to B. Okay? Because it is a subset of A Cartesian product B. Let us say whether it is a function or not. First, I have to test whether its domain is equal to A or not. Domain of F1. Domain of F1. You know, it is the set of first elements 1, 2, 4, right? You see 3 is not there. 3 is in A, which is not there. So here domain of the relation is not equal to A. It is not equal to A. So F is not a function from A to B. It is not a function from A to B. F is not a function from A to B. Okay? So let us take another example. Why it is not a function? Because its domain is not equal to A. Next, F2. Let us try to make the domain equal to A. 1, 1, 2, 5, 1, 7, 3, 8, 4, 2. Right? You see, it is a subset of A Cartesian product B. So, it is a relation from A to B. And what is its domain? Domain of F2. Yes, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, nicely it is equal to A. Ne? Its domain is equal to A. Now, what will be its other part? Whether, let us test whether it is one many or not. If it is one many or not. First criteria is satisfied. Let us come to the second. Whether it is one many or not. You see, here 1 is related to 1 and 1 is also related to 7. So it is what? One many. Clearly, 1, 1 belongs to F2 and 1, 7 belongs to F2. So, F2 is one many. That means one element of A is related to more than one element of B. A रो गोटिए एलिमेंट के से 1 B रो एकाधिक एलिमेंट सह रिलेशन रखिछि का सहित 1 सहित रखी 7. 1 is also an element of B. So 1 is related to 1. 1 is also related to 7. So it is 1 many. From arrow diagram you can observe 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 suppose. 8. Right. What is there? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, 2, 5, 1, 7, yes, 3, 8, yes, 4, 2, yes. From the diagram it is clear, it is A, it is B. From the diagram it is clear that it is 1 many. You see, from 1 there are 2 arrow marks to B. 1, 1, 1, 7. Okay, so it is 1 many, is 1 many, thus f is not a function. Thus f is not a function from A to B. It is not a function from A to B. Okay, let us see another example of relation. I will take another example. F3 is, suppose 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 3. You see, what is its domain? Yes, it is a subset of A Cartesian product B. So no doubt it is a relation from A to B. Then what is its domain? Domain of F3. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Right? This is the domain which is equal to A. First criteria is satisfied. Now come to the second criteria, whether it is 1 many or not. You see, no element of A is related to more than one element of B. Here, let us test one by one. 1 is related to 3 only. 2 is related to 5 only. 3 is related to 5 only. 4 is related to 3 only. So F is not 1 many. F3 is not 1 many. You can draw the arrow diagram and you can see it is not 1 many. So F is a, thus F3 is a function from A to B. F3 is a function from A to B. This is how we will test whether a relation is a function or not. We will test these two criteria, whether its domain is equal to A or not, and it is 1 many or not. Okay? Now, yes. How we denote a function? If f is a function from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B, symbolically we write it as f, right? Understand? We will write this. If you will write simply this, it means f is a function from a to b. F is a or a to b through f, right? F is a function from a to b, and read as f is a function from a to b, right? We read like this: f is a function from a to b. Here a is called the domain of f and b is called the codomain of f. If f is a function from a to b, then a is called the domain, b is called the codomain of f. Okay? And yes, what are the synonyms? Synonyms of function. Let us write synonyms of function. Yes, you may have so many names. One person, more than one name. Like this, function has so many names. Mapping, map, operator, transfer, transformation, are other names of function. ये सब function ର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ନାଁ. We may say it is a mapping, it is a map, it is an operator, it is a transformation, or simply it is a transform. Right? Here it is. Suppose let xy belongs to f. Yes, f is a relation, means it is a set of order pairs, because it is a subset of A Cartesian product B, so it is a set of order pairs. Okay, so let xy belongs to f. Suppose xy belongs to f. We write it like this. We can write it as x, f, y, or y is equal to fx. X, f, y, or y is equal to fx. Right? And in this way we can write. And here y is called the image of x under f, and x is called the pre-image of y, pre-image of y. If x, y is equal to fx, or xy belongs to f, or x, f, y, that means xy is an element of the function f. Then y is called the image of x, image, picture, image of x under F. You see, whatever mirror you put in front of you, you will get different image. If you put different mirror, different types of mirrors, plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror, then their image will be different. Similarly, if you have different functions, the element x may have different images. That is why y is called the image of x. Right? And accordingly, x is called the pre-image of y. Under the function f, categorically we have to write. Why? Because I have told you, if you put different categories of mirror in front of you, you will get different images of yourself or any other object also. So similarly, if the function will be changed, then the image will also be changed. So the image will be changed according to the function. That is why we are writing y is the image of x under the function f. Because if the function will be different, then your image will be different. Same element having different images.